guys, it's Nikki from Taylor Made Muscle Cars. So next to me we have our friend Charger Ron, and he has out his 70 Charger. We did a special video on it back when we first started our channel, and we have him here. He's had this car new since Vietnam. Tell him about it. Let's go.
It's a 70. I bought this car when I got out of the service. Well, actually, I had another one ordered. I had a Roadrunner with a 426 factory ordered, but the insurance man wouldn't let me do that. I was kind of a bad boy back then. I didn't readjust to society very well. So I had a few DWIs under 25, and the man said, no, you can't buy this rocket ship.
I just got to ask you, how much was that going to be back then with the 426? If you remember.
Somewhere between around 6,000 or so.
6,000 people. Can you believe that?
Now, the key there would have been if I'd have got that, because it was still my drinking era. I might not be here, or I'd have a real nice expensive car.
That's true. But
Good point.
So
Good
they
point.
said, you got to get something more in the family style.
Okay.
So this was as close as I could get to a family style and still have something kind of a hopped up car, but it still wasn't very hopped up till my man Sean here got a hold of it. Now, I couldn't get this color when I bought it. It was a lighter green, whatever that was.
It was the lighter.
And I never did like that. So when we painted it, I got it painted the color I wanted to get the first place.
Yeah, we went darker with it.
So, and then we got into the motor and this and that. So it's really not a family car.
Sounds great.
But at the height of my drinking career, I was actually I lived in this thing for over a year in New York City.
You were living in it?
Wow.
What year, Ronald? What year was that?
I said the height of my drinking career. Don't ask me what year. It had to be mid-70s, 76.
Wow.
And where was it?
Brooklyn.
Brooklyn, okay. It's New
No.
York.
I was racing horses in New York. And, well, I wasn't doing anything then.
Yeah.
And then just finally decided to get my head out of my rear end and quit. And got to fixing up the car because it's been with me since the beginning, and it could actually write a book.
That's
Yeah,
amazing.
I'm sure.
The entire family learned how to drive on this car.
Wow.
And I have 6 brothers and sisters
Really?
because every time I got a DWI, I'd lose my license. So I'd take the car home,
They got to jump in it.
and they got to use it to learn how to drive.
Wow.
Including my mother. When she first moved down to Florida, she went to Fort Myers. My father still had 6 months to retire, so she had no car. So I said, take the Dodge. I drove it down there and dropped it off. She had a job at this home builder's design place, and at her age, and she was driving the Charger to work every day.
That's awesome.
Man, that's cool.
And she said, guys would stop me at the stoplights and want to know if it's for sale and all that stuff.
And what year was that?
Oh,
Ish.
God, that had to be
Was that still in the 70s or the 80s?
Had to be the 80s.
Yeah.
85, 86, somewhere in there. But
That's
she
cool.
had it for, I don't know, 6 months. I just had it in the shop, and I said, hell, she might as well use it. So I took it down there and dropped it off. She had it about 6 months or so. And then he finally retired, and drove the only family car we had down. So I went back down and got it. So it's been a help to the whole family, this thing.
Sounds like it.
It's got quite a story to it.
The Book of Ron.
Awesome. And he was showing me earlier too. He found this at a flea market, but the original
Look at the back.
advertisement. If you take a look at the back of it, look at that.
Yeah, real cool.
$3,001. Just can't fathom that. Now they're going crazy high.
Oh, you're not kidding.
Yeah, very cool.
I'll do a walk around.
And Charger Ron, what did we do when you were in the military? You were involved with the horses, correct?
No.
You weren't.
Track.
Track mechanic, okay.
First go. AAA.
Oh, okay.
Kind of like the AAA of the jungle. They broke down with the track. Another place to go. All right, guys.
And Ron was just saying that when he was in the military, he was doing track service, and he was like the AAA of the jungle back then. So that's pretty cool. So we
Really?
thank you for everything that you've done, and thank you for your time with us today. Super, super cool. Awesome piece of history. All right, guys, make sure you subscribe for more fun stories like this, and remember to like, comment, let us know what you think of this cool charger. See you on the next one.